buddy.
Happy
Birthday boy.
birthday.
Happy birthday, my man. We love you. Happy 8th birthday. My goodness, you're so big. It's going so fast. You're kicking butt. You're kick buttowski. Getting bigger, getting smarter, getting stronger. Doing all the right things. We love you so much, man.
So proud of you. Happy birthday, baby.
Love ya.
Love you.
Hi Teddy, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Teddy, are you 8 years old already? Wow, you are a big girl, big boy. Okay, happy birthday. We are still in Seoul, Korea. We'll see you soon. Okay, thank you. Happy birthday. I'm gonna get you a birthday present later, okay? Sorry. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you. We
I
love
love you.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, best boy. 8 is great.
We're so proud of you and we love you so very much.
Mwah.
Love you.
Hi Teddy Moyer, it's your Uncle Paul wishing you a happy birthday. I miss you so much. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and I will see you in 3 weeks, okay? I love you. I love you too, Ada.
What's up, Teddy? How are you, sir? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope it's a good one. How old are you? Like 37? Something like that? No? 8? I remember when I was 8, I was riding the rails out in the world doing all sorts of... No, I don't know what I was doing. But hey, I hope you're doing something awesome because it's your day. Hope you enjoy it. I don't know. I'll see you back here in the classroom at some point, yeah? All right, man. Hey, have a good one. Enjoy it. Eat some cake for me. Later, man. Bye.
Hey, Big Bear. Happy birthday. Even though I've probably told you this a dozen times today, I'm super proud of you for coming to practice on your birthday and sharing this day with us. I hope your time outside of the gym is just as fun. Have a good one, bud.
Happy birthday, Teddy. I hope you have a good birthday. Apple cake. I love you, birthday.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.